Hello everyone, myself Maruti, welcome you back again with a topic which is very useful for the basic stuff, but without that, no, you can't do anything, yes, I assure you. So, but let me deal with these laws of exponents. Only one problem or only one concept of the total 9 laws of exponents what we have. I have chosen only one for you for the in this video, that is laws of exponents product rule. The first one I'm going to pick out of the total 9 laws of exponents. I'm picking one law for you, that is nothing but product rule. Okay, so before getting into the product rule and getting into the actual topic, let me revise the small basics which is needed for you to get into the concept. That is nothing but the basics of this stuff. It's nothing but what's the basics I'm going to deal. It's nothing but what is the base and what is the power. Simple thing. If you consider the few concepts like the base, right? If you take an example of a to the power m, the only thing what you are supposed to remember at any cost, the bottom one is nothing but the base. Right, we take this as the base, and the top one is nothing but the power or the exponent. So this is nothing but the power, or we call it as exponent. Okay, this is the basic thing what you have to remember. Alright, so now let's apply this concept with the actual rule what we are going to discuss today. That is nothing but product rule. Product rule of laws of exponents. This is the topic for the day. So let me write or let me explain you the formula first. Right? It's nothing but a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. This is the law for us. A to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. So let me write for you in verbal form so that what is the way to remember that one? If bases are equal, yes, that is the first condition. Bases are equal. Base, just now I said, the bottom part is called as base and the top part is nothing but power. Right? If bases are equal, see here, the base of this one is nothing but a and the base of this one is a. If bases are equal, and in between, into is there. In between, we have product. In between, we have product. Right? You know what's the meaning of product there? Multiplication. If bases are equal, and in between, if we have product, then powers should be added. Powers should be added. This is the verbal form of the product rule. Condition simple. కింద బేసులు సమానంగా ఉండి మధ్యలో ఇంటూ ఉంటే పైనున్నవి పవర్స్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. పాయింట్ 1. ఆన్సర్లో అగైన్ పవర్ ద బేస్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి రిపీటెడ్. Though it is having 2 times, you have to write only 1 time. Simple language. बेस समान रह के नीचे का पार्ट समान रह के बीच में इंटू रहा तो ऊपर का पार्ट जो है जो अपन को पावर बोल रहे उन दोनों को ऐड करना. पॉइंट 1. और एक बार जो बेस बोल रहे दो क्वेश्चन में 2 बार है, आंसर में सिर्फ 1 बार लिखना. ఒకటేసారి రాయాలి. Simple language in our native language. Now let's get back. So if bases are equal and in between if you have product, then the powers should be added. This is nothing but our product rule. Now let us go with a few examples of this one. So we are going to work on with all the examples of different styles so that you can understand it better. Okay, let me go with a few examples. The first example what I am seeing is the first one, -3 whole to the power 8 whole to the -3 whole to the power 8. I want to write the power in a different way. -3 to the power 8 and the next one again -3 to the power 8. So what's the formula here? See here the base, the bottom part. Of course, -3, the total is the base part. You have to remember, though along with the negative sign, this total is base and this is the power and this is the power which we have. So now let us see. Means You might be surprised, sir, you have written both the bases same and also powers also same. Okay, let me change it for you. I'm writing it as 80. Okay, it may be different. Now, bases are equal, in between into is there. Then, as I said, no need to write 2 times. You write only 1 time. And the power should be added. 8 plus 18, which equals minus 3 to the power of 26. Okay, same sign, sum them and keep the same sign. That's what the logic here. So, what is the formula what we are using here? Which is nothing but a to the power m into a to the power n equals, see here, base minus 3 minus 3. We are having same like a and a. Powers are different. When powers are different, we have to add them powers. 8 and 18. 8 plus 18, which is nothing but minus 3 to the power 26. So, here the formula is m plus n. So, hope you are able to understand. Let me come upon with one more thing. But here, simply, we are simplifying, rewriting the expression. What is the concept we are writing? Rewriting the expression. Simply, we are rewriting the expression. Okay, let me go with one more problem for you. Let me take in terms of decimals or any fractions. So let me take like this, minus 2 by 9 whole to the power something like, let me take something different, 7. Again, it's nothing but the product, and let me go with the other one. So minus 2 by 9 whole to the power something like minus 4. Here it is minus 4. So what's the answer? See here again. What is the base? Kinda emundi minus 2 by 3. But దీని కింద ఏముంది? దీంట్లో కూడా minus 2 by 9 ఉంది. అంటే బేస్ సమానంగా ఉంది, మధ్యలో ఇంటూ ఉంది. అప్పుడు బేస్ ఒకసారే రాయాలా? రైట్ ద బేస్ ఓన్లీ వన్స్. एक ही बार लिखो इधर बेस. So minus 2 by 9. బట్ పవర్స్ కో క్యా కర్ రే, పవర్స్ ని ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, పవర్స్ ని మనము యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ పవర్ ఏముంది 7 ప్లస్, మరి ఇక్కడ పవర్ ఏముంది -4, right? Of course you guys are very good at this one. Now here we are multiplying, plus into minus, 7 minus 4 minus 2 by 9. If you simplify, it is nothing but 7 minus 4, it's 3. So hope you are able to understand. One more of this kind. You have to tell me now. Minus 4.2 whole to the power 3 into minus 4.2 whole to the power something like 4. Straight away, what's the answer? Yes, what you said is right. Minus 4.2, power should be added. 3 plus 4, which is minus 4.2 whole to the power 7. So, this is how what we are going to do. What we do? Simply we have rewritten the expression. Now let me apply the same sum in different way now. So let me come back to you with one more sum. So find the value of x. So what I am doing means I am applying the same logic, same formula. What is that formula? Product of rule, and the same formula we are using in the other way for finding the value of x. Let me come with an example here. So the question is 7 to the power x into 7 to the power 2 equals 7 to the power 6. Right. So what he has given? He has given the expression for us. Right. Now what we are doing? Everyone please focus here. What is the base here? 7. What is the base here? 7. In between what we have? Product. Then what should be done? Power should be added. Now let us add it. 7 to the power, I am writing only once. Now power, the power here is x and here power is 2 equals 7 to the power 6. Okay, now you have to remember one more laws of exponents. Later on we will deal with that one. But now straight away you remember whatever the power you are having here and the power what we are having here, they both become equal. We are having one more formula for that one. We'll get back to that one. Or I can write it down for you. A to the power m equals a to the power n implies m equals n. This is the formula what we are having. But I will work on with you for the other time. But now let's come back to this one. Bases are equal. In between is equal to is there. Powers are also equal. X plus 2 equals 6. Now x equals, take 2 to the other side. 6 minus 2, x is equal to 4. Right? This is also one of the simplest way to use the formula to find the value of any expression. So, what is the formula what we have used? Product rule, and we are finding the value of x there. So, let me come back with one more expression if you can get it to me. So, the last sum for the day, last sum in the video, let us come back to one more question here. That is 16 to the power 10 into x to the power 4 is equal to 16 to the power 14. Okay, this is one more tricky way of understanding the sum here. Now, let us come back to this one. 16 to the power 10 into x to the power 4 is equal to 16 to the power 14. If you observe here, base here is 16. We don't know what's the base there, but the other side, base is the same 16. And if you observe it, what is 10 plus 4? 14. So the answer is 14 there. So what might be this? When it is possible to multiply, ఇందాకనే చెప్పాను, కింద బేసులు సమానంగా ఉంటేనే యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. Therefore straight away ఇక్కడ 16 ఉందంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా 16 ఉండాలి. अगर इधर 16 है तो इधर भी 16 रहे तो ही अपन ऊपर वालों को ऐड करके 14 बोल के लिख सकते. If we have the same thing, then only it is practically possible. X equals 16 here. Okay guys, I have explained the formula of loss of exponent with a product rule. Of course, in between one more is there. I will explain this one in the next video, the other formula. But this is how to get the value or use the product rule here. Hope you are able to understand. I'll get back with one more formula in the next video. Until then,